Welcome to Kids Spark Learns, learning for kids of all ages. Let's learn different type of trucks.
This is an airport rescue truck.
Yay!
An airport rescue truck stays near airplanes. It is very powerful and fast. It helps if there is a fire at the airport. Firefighters use it to keep passengers safe. Airport rescue trucks are always on duty. This is a tow truck.
Yay!
A tow truck helps remove broken cars from the road. It can lift and carry damaged vehicles safely. This clears traffic after accidents. Tow trucks also help cars stuck in bad places. They keep roads safe and clean.
This is a monster truck.
Yay!
It's super big with giant tires that crush cars and jump over ramps. Monster trucks are made for fun shows where they race, spin, and do cool stunts. They make loud engine sounds and can even fly high in the air. Monster trucks are the kings of excitement.
This is a garbage truck.
Yay!
This is a garbage truck, and it collects waste from houses and streets. It has a big container at the back to hold trash. Some garbage trucks can crush and press the garbage inside. They keep our cities clean and safe.
This is a cement mixer truck.
Yay!
It carries wet cement inside a big spinning drum. The drum keeps turning so the cement doesn't dry out while the truck drives. When it reaches the building site, it pours the cement out to make roads and buildings. This is a truck.
Yay!
It carries heavy loads like boxes, food, and furniture from one place to another. Trucks help bring things we need to stores and homes. The driver travels long distances on highways to make deliveries. Without trucks, we couldn't get our favorite things.
This is a fire truck.
Yay!
A fire truck carries firefighters, hoses, and water. It has tall ladders to reach high buildings. The siren warns cars to move aside quickly. Firefighters use it to rescue people and put out fires. It is one of the most important emergency vehicles.
This is a dump truck.
Yay!
It carries sand, gravel, or dirt in a big open box. When it's time to unload, the back of the truck lifts up and dumps everything out. You can see dump trucks at construction sites helping to build roads and houses. Lift, dump, and roll away. That's the dump truck way.
This is a forklift.
Yay!
This is a forklift, and it helps to lift heavy boxes or materials. It has two long forks in the front that slide under things to pick them up. Forklifts can carry loads up and down and move them quickly around the site.
This is a car transport truck.
Yay!
It carries many cars from factories to car shops. The truck has 2 levels so it can hold lots of cars safely.
This is a pickup truck.
Yay!
This is a pickup truck, and it has an open space at the back for carrying loads. Farmers, builders, and workers use pickup trucks to carry tools, wood, or even animals. Pickup trucks are strong and can drive on rough roads. Families also use them for adventures and camping. They are both useful for work and fun.
This is a crane truck.
Yay!
It has a long arm called a boom that lifts heavy things high into the air. Crane trucks help builders move metal, wood, or big blocks where people can't reach. They're strong and steady, helping build tall buildings and bridges. This is a fire engine.
Yay!
It's the core vehicle of the fire department. Fire engines are built with large pumps and hoses, and their main goal is to get water onto the fire. They can connect directly to a fire hydrant. This is a sweeper truck.
Yay!
It keeps our streets clean and shiny. The brushes under the truck spin fast to sweep away dirt, leaves, and trash. Sweeper trucks usually work early in the morning when roads are quiet. Thanks to them, our city stays neat and clean.
This is a ladder truck.
Yay!
A ladder truck has a very long ladder. Firefighters use it to rescue people in tall buildings. It also helps spray water from high above. The ladder can move up, down, and sideways. Ladder trucks are very important in city fires.
This is a delivery truck.
Yay!
It brings packages to homes, schools, and stores. Inside are toys, clothes, and all kinds of surprises. The driver follows the map to drop off every box on time.
This is a SWAT rescue vehicle.
Yay!
A SWAT rescue vehicle is big and armored. It keeps police officers safe during dangerous missions. It can go into areas where normal cars cannot. Officers use it to rescue people safely. SWAT vehicles are built very strong.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Keep smiling, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.